Hello guys, again we are back with a new product, and this is the Topec heavy duty 3-way stubble gun model PLH-DQ1, ideal for upholstery, woodworking, ceiling tiles, rack and roofing. We have 3 dimensions of these nails: 4, 14, 10, 12 millimeters and 10 to 14 millimeters. The economical 3-in-1 stumble gun that fastens 3 different sizes of stumbles. It executes every task quickly, neatly and professionally. One stumbler does the work of 3. Well, let's open it to find out. You can see here we've got some stumble side. Here we've got non-slip grip made of all steel construction, quick jam release, durable chrome finish lasts for years and years, that's nice. Adjustable driving force, you can adjust from here. And included, of course, into the box. We can see we've got first is the narrow chrome. Then we've got the round stubble. And then we've got the brown nail. Of course, we are going to find out all this, how they are performed in a real condition. It has a nice yellow color. Starting with a narrow crown, let's take that out and insert it. It's very easy. And of course, we've got the quick jam release. Take that out. And if you cannot take out one of the stumblers, just push out that back. Take that and push it from the other side. It will release the other and it will fall down. And you can again put it in place. Okay, well, that's everything is nice, and it's time for testing to see how it works. Okay, here we are. We have 3 types of wood of hardness. This is softer, next we have that, and next the third is more hard, is that. Well, let's try it. That's nice. Let's see the other one. Of course, if you want, you can adjust it and it will go further more inside, adjusting the impact force, and it goes more inside. This is a harder wood. Well, let's try the other nails. This you can insert it into the middle. And it will go all the way in. Yeah, let's try and the other one. Then you need to install it here. And you can see it goes all the way in. And there you are, you can see the nails. Same here. Well guys, overall I think it's a great nail stumbler. If you need something like that, you can check down below to the description all about this tool and where you can buy it. It's a very affordable tool and definitely it's something that you need into your place. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video in your community and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.